Is database query errors ruining your Facebook experience? Let's fix the root cause. Does this happen when searching or loading messages? Let me know in the comments below. First, clear Facebook's cache. Now, update your device's date or time settings. Incorrect timestamp break queries. For persistent errors, create a new test profile. It isolates if it's account or device related. Still failing? Screenshot the console errors and send it to Facebook support. Fixed it? If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.